Hey everybody, yo, Brooklyn in the house. And I want to tell you something else. Besides the Ray Parade on Friday afternoons, there's something called the Saturday Stroll. Saturday Stroll, you might ask what it is. It's a round of premieres on Saturday evening, beginning at 6 p.m. with SeaLegJourneys, where they interview and talk to a creator about their channel, about things that they're doing, about other things. They also give a description of the vlogs that will be happening on Saturday afternoon with the premieres. So come and join us Saturday evenings beginning at 6 p.m. SeaLegJourneys. Then 7 p.m. all the premieres starts one by one, just like the Ray Parade on Fridays. Come and join us. Check out new creators, old creators, past season creators, anything creators, where we do any kind of different vlogs, between 2 minutes and 15 minutes of duration of each vlog. Then we get together and it's to have a good time. So come over and find out how to get part of it if you would like to. Also go through SeaLegJourneys@gmail.com and find out if you could be a guest on a future Saturday Stroll. So it'd be great. Don't miss it. It's a great opportunity to be promoted. So check it out. Saturday evenings, Saturday Stroll, 6 p.m. Eastern. See you then.